This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Dell laptop so the camera can read the code. This matters because a misconfigured driver or blocked permission prevents capture. First, verify the webcam is enabled and connected, then update the camera driver in Device Manager and restart if needed. Once done, open the Windows Camera app or search for Camera. Grant camera permission when Windows asks. Make sure lighting is even and keep the QR code centered. These first steps get you a clean, scannable image. You now focus on capturing and decoding. Hold the QR steady about 6 to 12 inches from the lens and avoid glare so the pattern stays sharp. In Camera Live View, wait for an automatic prompt or take a high-resolution photo and open it in Photos. Tap the QR region to let Windows detect it. If the camera app does not decode, use Microsoft Lens or open the image in Edge and use its QR reader. Once done, confirm the decoded content before acting. You finish by choosing what the QR contains. Preview the URL or text and verify it looks legitimate before opening. This prevents phishing or unsafe downloads. If it's a link, copy or open it in your preferred browser. If contact data, save to contacts. Make sure default apps are set for links and files. If scanning fails, try scanning the same code with your phone, reconnecting the webcam, or reinstalling the camera driver. This single troubleshooting step often resolves detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.